Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a bit of a hoarder. I have boxes filled with jars, wine bottles, newspapers, you name it. Well, today I'm finally getting rid of my big box of scrap wood, which I've had underneath my patio for about 5 years. That's why I like this project that we're making today. Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a scrap wood mirror. Now I have a ton of scrap wood from all of my DIY projects, so I thought this would be a good project to use it all up at once. All right, I'm not using it all up. I have so much scrap wood. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a scrap wood mirror. I cut my frame out of scrap plywood, but you could use an existing frame or a framed mirror and save a few steps. If you don't want to paint each block like I'm doing here, mix unicorn spit in a spray bottle with a little bit of water and spray your blocks. I love the look of sanded, distressed edges, but you can also get this feel by dabbing the edges with white paint using a sponge. Arranging the blocks was a bit of a challenge, but I finally got them just right. I get my mirror cut at my local hardware store, and it's not very expensive at all. Unicorn spit is an amazing wood stain that comes in a ton of different colors. I love using it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can grab some of your own. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.